What if I told you the new GPT agent could make you money today? No coding. No huge investment. Just smart use of AI. Sounds crazy, right? But people are already cashing in. The secret? Using GPT agents in ways most people never think about. And today, I'm breaking down 6 insanely simple strategies. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Yes, real cash in one day. So let me ask you this, what if one AI tool could write your emails, build your website, and bring you clients? Would you let it work for you? Or keep scrolling while others get paid? Let's dive into the first way. Number 1. Freelance automation. Think Fiverr. Think Upwork. But instead of you grinding, the GPT agent does the heavy lifting. Copywriting gigs? Done. Blog posts? Done. Product descriptions? Done. You just deliver. And you keep the cash. Simple. Number 2. Lead generation. This is big. Businesses need leads every single day. The GPT agent can scrape, filter, and email potential clients automatically. Imagine charging $500 a month per client. And you run everything with one agent. That's serious recurring income. Number 3. E-commerce assistant. Running a store? The GPT agent can handle customer support, answer FAQs, write product descriptions, even upsell customers on the spot. No burnout. Just profit. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Let's keep going. Number 4. Content machine. YouTubers, bloggers, podcasters. They all need content. The GPT agent can batch scripts, create captions, even outline entire videos. Imagine charging creators per project. You deliver in hours. They think you're a genius. But it's your agent. Number 5. AI consulting. Sounds big, right? But here's the hack. Most businesses don't know where to start with AI. You show up with GPT agent demos. Offer to set them up, charge for your time. Let the AI handle the setup. You keep the consultant fee. And yes, businesses pay hundreds for this. Some pay thousands. Number 6. Microservices. Think small tasks. Resume writing, ad copy, social captions. The kind of jobs people need instantly. The GPT agent smashes through these. You can stack 10, 20, even 30 jobs a day without working harder. Now pause a second. Are you seeing the pattern? Every method turns the agent into your silent worker. You set it up once, and it runs in the background, making you money, while you do whatever you want. That's the real cheat code. But here's the best part. This isn't futuristic. It's happening right now. People are already selling AI services, already building micro businesses, already stacking passive income streams. The only difference is, they started. And most people haven't yet. Which one will you be? Let's zoom back. First, freelancing automation. Clients think it takes hours. GPT agent does it in minutes. Second, lead generation. A full pipeline of potential customers. Businesses throw money at that. Third, e-commerce. The customer service hustle disappears, and you sleep while sales happen. Fourth, content. Imagine a YouTube script factory. or Instagram captions done daily. That's a goldmine. 5th, consulting. Position yourself as the AI guy in your city. Everyone needs one, and they'll pay you. 6th, microservices. Quick turnaround. Quick pay. Zero stress. It's like money in your pocket. Now, let me challenge you. Which of these 6 feels easiest for you? Drop it in the comments. Because sharing ideas here helps everyone win. But don't just comment. Take one step today. Even a small one. Because momentum is the difference between idea and income. Like this breakdown? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I drop these AI money-making tools every week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe. And click that bell button. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. You don't want to miss it. So rewind. Watch again if you need to. Take notes. Pick one method. And run with it. The GPT Agent is your new money-making partner. But only if you actually use it. Don't just scroll past. Don't wait until it's too late. People are building entire businesses right now with this. And the question is, will you join them? Or watch from the sidelines? You already know the answer. Let's make it happen. Step 1. Choose your method. Step 2. Set up the agent. Step 3. Get paid. That's it. It really is that simple. But only if you start. So start today. Because the window of opportunity? It never stays open forever. Early movers win. Late movers always regret. Don't be late. Be first. Be bold. Be the one who saw this video and acted. That's how you win. That's how you build freedom. And that's how you let AI pay your bills. So I'll say it one more time. Subscribe right now. Hit the bell. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Trust me, you'll want to see it. See you there. Until then, go make it happen. Because the future is already here. And it's paying people every day. Will you be next? I think you will. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. This was 6 ways to make money with the new GPT Agent. Hope it blew your mind like it did mine. Now stop watching. Start doing. See you tomorrow. With the drop that changes everything. Don't miss it. Seriously. Don't. Subscribe now. Bell on. Action today. Income tomorrow. That's the formula. And you've got the tool. The GPT Agent. Use it. Cash in. Build your future. Starting now. Because no one's coming to do it for you. But AI will. If you let it. So let it. And watch what happens. Money. Freedom. Time. That's the gift. Waiting for you. Inside one tool. So go. Start. Today. And tomorrow's upload? Yeah. That one changes everything. Don't miss it. Subscribe now. Bell on. Because this AI wave? It won't wait for you. And you don't want to be left behind. Ever. I believe in you. You got this. Go win. Go create. Go cash in. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for taking action. And I'll see you tomorrow for the next drop. Until then, stay smart. Stay ahead. Stay winning. Because that's what we do here. That's what you'll do too. With the GPT agent. And with me. Let's go.